Okay, we're good.
Okay. All right, so we're first going to start off by talking about the vowel patterns. A couple of vowel patterns that I think you're already familiar with, but we're going to go over them just in case. So, E-E. What is E-E? What's that sound? And so, like, in the word, so I'm going to say the word sleep. Does that have an E-E in it? Yep. Yeah. So when, in the word sleep, the E-E says E, right? What about that O-O? Or ooh, right? Like room, room. So the O-O in room is saying ooh. Do you know that one? Have you talked about that yet in school? No? Okay. And then O-A, like, yeah, there you go. O, like boat.
Yeah.
Yeah. So O-A is like O. Yep. Okay. So now that we've talked about that, we're going to talk about some different words that have those different patterns in them. The E-E, the O-O, and the O-A. So I'm going to have this paper right here, so that way when we're talking about the words, you know what patterns we're looking for, okay? So the first one we're going to look at, the first word that we're going to look at is, do you know that word? It's seedling.
Seedling.
Seedling. So what we're going to do is we're going to break it down into syllables. Have you done that in school? Where you might like clap or maybe tap or
clap.
Snap. You clap? Okay, is that what you would want to do? Just clap? Okay, so I'm going to do this one as an example. I'm going to break it up. So I have it right here on the paper. I have it broken up into what it would be, but I'm going to clap it. Seedling. Okay, you do it.
Seedling.
Good. All right, so let's do the next one. That's all we're going to do for these words. We're just going to break them up into syllables, okay? Seesaw. So go ahead and break that one up.
Seesaw.
Good job. Okay. Bigfoot.
Bigfoot.
Bloodworms.
Bloodworms.
Okay, groomer.
Groomer.
Good job. Airboat.
Airboat.
Coaster.
Coaster.
Good. All right, I think I have a couple. Yeah. Ooh, what about this one? Roller coaster.
Roller coaster.
Good job. Download.
Download.
Good job. Okay, so you see how I have these broken up into the different sections, the different syllables? So when we break them up into syllables, that can help us sound it out and spell the word. So let's just take the word seesaw. So we see, can you circle the vowel pattern, one of the vowel patterns that we've talked about? From there?
E-E.
Yep, circle. I would just do this. But good, you had it right, E-E. So we can, when we break up the first syllable, C, that will help you spell it out, and you'll know that it's E. So it would be S-E-E. Good job. And then saw. S-A-W. Good job. So we're going to break up, that's the next thing we're going to do. We're going to break up the words into different syllables. And what we're going to do, we're going to use these highlighters. Which highlighter do you want to do?
Pink.
Okay, one more.
Orange.
Okay. So we're going to break up this word right here, ballroom, into 2 syllables. So I want you to highlight the first syllable in pink and the second one in orange. Good job. Look at that. I didn't even have to show you one. All right, let's go to the next one. You let me know if you have a question and I'll help you. Next word is backwoods. Okay. Bamboo. Why don't you go ahead and say bamboo?
Bamboo.
Okay. Now go ahead and highlight. Good. Now why don't you clap how you highlighted?
Bamboo.
Good. All right. Bookmark. Go ahead and say it.
Bookmark.
Okay. Then clap it.
Bookmark.
Cartoon.
Cartoon.
Good job. You're really good at this. All right. Checkbook. Go ahead and say it.
Checkbook.
Okay. So go ahead and clap it.
Checkbook.
Afloat. Why don't you leave the caps off? Okay, so let's look at that one. It's afloat. So let's clap it. Afloat. Okay, so go back and see if you can, I'll rewrite the word. Go back and see if you can highlight it the right way. So let's do it again. Afloat. There you go. Good. Okay. Next word is approach. Okay, so let's do that one together. Approach. Good. So you highlighted the P's in the first syllable, but when we do it approach. So the first syllable is only
A.
right?
Mhm.
Which would be okay? Let's go ahead and redo that one. Go ahead. Good. Okay. So the next one is cheetah. Go ahead and say cheetah.
Cheetah.
Okay. So think about how you said that. Cheetah. There you go. Good job. Last one, beehive. See how I kind of said it in the syllable? Beehive instead of beehive. So now what I want you to do is I want you to go through and I want you to circle all the vowel patterns that we've talked about, that we talked about previously, earlier.
think Lowe's is here.
How far are we into it?
10.